Hello everyone, so finally my new little helper has arrived. In particular is the Neato Botvac Connected D7, which is the top of the line robot vacuum cleaner from Neato, and today I'm gonna unbox it with you. As you can see here on the top of the box, it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. And if we turn the box on the side, we can see the comparison from a laser navigation system and a standard navigation system. And here on the other side there's a bunch of features that are present in this robot. In particular, this one is the only one from the Neato, at least to my knowledge, where you can set the boundary markers directly from the app. And here on the other side there's some other features. I'm not going to go describing all the features because today I'm only gonna do an unbox, and later after some time of usage I'm going to do a short review or at least impression of use, especially since there's an important update both from the app and the Neato that is being released just now. Here we have some stickers with the number for the customer care if you need assistance, and there's a lot because there's one for each region. Here we have a quick guide which basically explains to you how to plug the robot and where to put the charging base, and just a brief note about how it operates. Then we have a little package here with some papers in it. In particular, I just can see that the first one is the user manual, which has a lot of pages, but I guess it's because there's different languages in it. And let's take a look. Exactly, there's different languages in here. Then we have some other important information where it states the precaution you have to take electrically and so on. And now here we have some other paper for warranty and other stuff. Now let's put this aside and let's go to the important part. So let's start from the side. This little box here. And let's take a look what's inside. Okay, so here we have two power cords, one with a UK plug, I guess, and this is a European version, so I guess this is why you also have a UK power cable. And then we have a Shuko one, so you have both options. Then here we have the boundary marker physically, so you can put on the ground and the robot should never go behind it. And it's pretty solid and heavy, so I don't think it should move like I've seen in some other video, but I have to test it. Then we have a little package here. Let's see what's inside. It's a little brush and a little blade, I guess for cleaning the robot. One for the filter and one to cut hair or some other things that may get stuck into the brush. Then down here we have the charging base. Let's take a look. Anyway, I have to say that The package overall is pretty nice. Here we have the charging base, it's plastic. Then here we have some route for the cable and the power plug. As you can see, there's an exit for the cable from both sides. Now let's peel this off. And here we have the two metal pads that are used for charging the robot. Now let's move along. And let's take out the robot itself. So also here nice package protection. So that's nice. And here we have finally the robot. Now let me just close the box so we can have a better view angle. And here, as you can see, it's the top. There's the circle, which is the laser scanner. Here we have the power and the start button. In front we have a little bumper. Then here we have only two wheels, which are retractable, so you can go on obstacle, a side brush, and the brush, big brush itself. And here on the bottom we have the connector for the charging and the place for the air to go out. Here we have the dust bin with the filter, it's the performance one, so it's also have on the front some cover, and the bin itself is pretty big, so I don't think there should be any problem while vacuuming the room. And now let's put it in place. I still have to learn how to do it apparently. And now let's peel off the cover from the laser, and this is it. So I'm going to upload a video after some time of use, so I can tell you better how the app works, how the robot works, and my impression. Especially because as I told you in the beginning, Neato just released an update for the app and the robot, so I need a little time to test it, and then I'm gonna do the video, I promise you. So that's it, and see you on the next video. Bye!